Hi, in this video I'll walk you through the latest update to GrowthWheel Online. The 360-degree business canvas and the new industry versions has become the main starting point for many advisors working with clients. Now all 360-degree canvas tools have their own dedicated page for easy access. You'll find a new submenu in GrowthWheel Online called 360-degree canvas, where you can quickly browse, download, and share all available canvases. In addition to the original 360-degree business canvas, you can now explore our growing collection of industry-specific canvases, including the child care canvas, the retail canvas, the e-commerce canvas, and the founder canvas, with more on the way. Look out for new canvases in the coming months and let us know if there's a canvas you'd love to see next. We hope these tools makes it easier for you to help your clients get the big picture of their business so you can advise them more effectively. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.